Hello friends, so in this video we are going to look how you can install your Android app in your own Android phone. So you might be facing a problem in which you are trying to install your app, your debug app in your emulator, but as you guys all know that emulator takes more time. So that's why we need to shift to your own Android phone. So to do that, what you need to do is you need to enable some settings in your Android phone. So for that, what you need to do is just take your Android phone and go to your settings. Then look for the settings which says about device. In that setting, you have to go to your version and you need to click on this build number sometimes like 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will say you are 3 steps away from being a developer, 2 step, now 1 step, and then it will say to enter your lock screen password, which I'm entering, and after that it will say you are a developer, you are in a developer mode now. And then after, you have to look for developer settings. So in my phone there is a search bar on the top itself, so I'm searching for developer options, so which were not there previously. You can check it before enabling that you are a developer mode setting. You can check it, it will not be there, but after that it will be there. And then after, you have to look for developer option. So in my phone it is in system settings and in developer options, so I'm going into that. So all this enabling of developer mode will differ from phone to phone and version to version. So but basically you need to look for your version and your build number, and if you tap on it for some 5 to 6 times, you will enter into development mode. And then after, this developers options will be enabled. Then you need to choose which method of debugging, that is app installation, you need to use. So there are two methods I can see here, that is USB debugging and wireless debugging, but for now I'm going to use USB debugging. So for USB debugging, what you need to do is you need to connect your phone to your PC or laptop, whatever machine you're using, to your phone. So you, after you connect this phone to your PC, then after you need to enable this USB debugging. After enabling this USB debugging, it will give you a pop-up. Just say OK to it, and then after some time, when all the settings are done in the Android Studio, you will see your phone popping up here. So then once it is done, once you see your phone here, if you say run here, then that app will get automatically installed in your phone. So I'm just running this app in my phone. So now currently Gradle is building. Once the Gradle build is done, then I will see that this app is getting installed in my phone and I can debug it in my own phone. So as you guys can see, my app has been installed in my phone, and you will see some UI which I've created using Android Studio. So this is how you need to enable the developer mode in your Android phone, and this is how you can install or debug your app in your own Android phone. So if you want to learn how I build this UI, we'll keep on watching my next video. In the next video